Got him.
Whoop whoop, Juggalo fishing fam. Welcome back to another episode of the Juggalo Fishing Posse. I am your host slash Gillz. And today, guys, it is New Year's. This is the first day of a new year. Everybody thinks this year is going to be better than the last. They think that anyway. I think things are just going to get worse. That's how I feel anyway. Anyway, but to get on a lighter note, we are going fishing today. And even though it is nasty and gloomy and rainy and wet and cold, we are going to try it anyway. I am heading down to pick up Jonboy, who some of you may remember from previous episodes. But we're going to go pick up him, maybe try a couple of new creek spots. Might even go and try Crybaby Bridge, Rocky River area, high shoals. You know, I don't know. We'll figure something out. And one way or another, we're going to put some lines in the water somewhere, somehow, some way. So come along with us, fam, and we'll catch you down at the water. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop.
All right. Let's put my worm in the wetness. Let's wet the noodle. I'm gonna be a child and start over here in the shallows. Right by that tree. I think I got something. Yep.
Oh!
It's a chub. It's a big ass chub.
That's probably what hit mine, bro. Right on, bro. What's all hit you got on that thing? Say his name?
No.
Okay.
No, that's like a little size 10 Aberdeen hook. Creek chub.
Oh, he took like that.
He's got like a dirt face going on. Dirt. Dirt. Yep, no skunk. Even if it is just a damn chub, I'll take it. Got him. Feels a little bit more substantial.
Oh, he's a pretty face, right? Boy, is it big one? Don't get hurt. Oh, what
He's a little,
kitty cat.
yeah, it's a little bullhead.
I told you there's a kitty cat in there.
Little bullhead.
Oh, missed it.
I think you had him for a second, man.
Yeah, just loaded it. I like cleaning that crap. I gotta get smaller.
Oh, damn.
Smaller.
Yeah.
I knew there was some cats in here, bro.
These fucking bullheads always swallow my shit. Always. It never fails.
Woo!
Sorry, little bullhead.
Next time, just bite the tip.
I hope you make it. Yeah.
Just the tip next time, you know, just the tip.
Well, I let him chew on it too damn long. That was partly my bad, but with those bullheads, I mean, you catch a bullhead 9 times out of 10, it's gonna be all the way down to his freaking butthole. All right, we got 2 different species. That's a creek chub, and that's a dadgum little catfish, little old mud cat, little old bullhead. Let's see if we can get a third one. Put my wormy back out there. I don't want to tie no more, Daddy. I'm tired of retying my hook, Daddy. I don't want to do it no more. Please don't whoop me. There we go.
Oh God, dude. It's a fucking
Oh,
not a white.
whatever it was, he was of substantial fucking size, dude.
I see it, yeah.
Damn. Damn. Yeah, we can sit here and try this spot for a little bit. All right. Ow. Sitting on a briar.
Hey, I see it right there.
Oh, I'm over here getting.
Oh, you get him, what? Get him.
I may have some. Yeah, I got something.
Oh, it's a roller.
It's
a
a.
mud shuckers.
It's a little chub, I think. Yeah. Oh, or not a little chub.
Oh, it's a little bit.
Can you stop, bro? He ain't never had a hook in his mouth before. He's freaking the fuck out. All right.
Pop his cherry, bro.
Yep, I did. Look at that creek chub.
Hey, man.
Easy there, bruh.
Get on there, Cricky.
All right. We'll get you back in. Creek chub ahoy. Ahoy.
Navajo.
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 Navachubbo. It looks like the tip of your rod is kind of doing some aiming in the opposite direction there.
Well, I'll see that. Ooh.
Up.
Oh! Hey, got him.
I got him. What I got?
Another chub tube.
Is it a chubby? It is a chubby.
Is it chubbier than your last chub?
I don't know.
It's small.
I don't know, but it's fun. It's giving me a chub. It's fun. It's something. I'll take you, you little pissant fish. Any day of the week. Come bite anytime. I'm not here all week, but I'm here occasionally. It'd be nice if you bit more. Tell your bass and catfish, crappie, bluegill friends. Tell the rest of them to come join. Yeah. Boom, right there, halfway. How about that? We'll try a little halfway action. You know what though? Do you see that log out there? Off to the left? It looks like a deep little hole right past it. Something makes me think something might be sitting on the bottom under that log.
Get him, whoa, baby.
Got him.
Boy, he's a pocket spiker. That's a big one. He's heavy. He's heavy. He's got girth.
He's got girth for a chub.
He's got.
Freaking chubs, man. The chubs are dominating this freaking creek. And there's some healthy ones too. That's weird. Oh my God. He's trying to give y'all a kiss. All right. Creek chub, I'll take what I can get. There we go. There we go. Oh, that's a feisty one. He's got some beef to him too. Man, these creek chubs are freaking... They are thriving. Good Lord. I got him a little deep there. Hopefully he'll be all right. He's a big boy. Let's get him back in real quick so he can clod up. Heck yeah, Creek Chub City over here. Come on, come on. One good tug. One good tug to give me the confidence to pick it up. Playing with it. I think I got him.
He was on. This is Chub City, son. I don't have no TV.
I got one, but
I'm saying on this little code.
over here it's Chub Town.
Chub Town. It's off of this.
Chub Town, yeah. All right, buddy. Thanks for playing. Oh, it looks like you got a little tug there.
Got him.
Oh yeah, bro.
He's girthy.
Damn, he's beefy, man. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I got you on the phone for this. I just caught me a bass. Ho-ho. Ho-ho. I just caught me a bass on my little travel rod. Ugh. That's a pretty bass. Heck yeah. Oh well. Thank you for playing, buddy. Alright. Nightmare. Have I had nightmares? Remember the nightmare that I had about the wolves and I beat the shit out of you? I think I just caught me a little chub. I did. I caught me a little creek chub. Little chubby chub. I've caught so many of these dadgum things. And it's starting to rain a little bit harder. Yeah. Yeah. I caught a bass on that rod, man.
Oh.
Yeah, little spot.
Was he already on there?
Huh?
Was he on it already?
I was on the phone and I was watching.
Then I go to get it and it just stopped.
I was watching mine the whole time and I forgot that yours was still out there. And I was just sitting there and I started watching it. And after about a couple of minutes, yeah, I saw slack go in it. So
yeah,
I picked it up and reeled and set the hook. And sure enough, bass.
Woo. You got a video?
I got him on video, man. I was still on the phone, but I got him on there. But yeah. And I got another creek chub right before you walked up. Used the last little bit of that worm.
Damn good day, eh?
That was a pretty good day for a rainy winter day. We come out here and dominated. Dominate. What did I do with my other rod? Alright, fam. That's all I've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed this little creek fishing segment. We ended up going down to Crybaby Bridge and fishing there. I've actually been there like many times and just couldn't catch anything. Couldn't figure anything out. But I went back today. We had some nightcrawlers. That's predominantly what we used the whole time, and we had pretty good results. We started off with a float rig, and that didn't work out in my favor at all, like not even a sniff. So ended up switching to a bottom rig, and with like 3 or 4 pinch-on sinkers, and yeah, that actually got us some fish. So in total, like I don't even know how many chubs we caught. I caught a ton. He caught 2 or 3. Ended up getting a bullhead catfish and a spotted bass right there at the end. A little bass. Actually, he may have been a spot. I didn't inspect him too much, but yeah, little bass. That was an awesome day to be winter time. You know. Fishing a creek on such a crappy day, like it turned out good for us, so I will take it. I will take it. It turned out better than I could have hoped, so I'm happy for that. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate you guys tuning in and watching. Like I said, sorry I've been so slow with the uploads lately. It's been a grind out here, guys. Like I said, I can't even tell you. I was at that creek at least 4 times prior to this video and could not catch a single fish.
It's been ridiculous. So yeah, anyway, thank you guys for coming along with me. Whoop whoop to all you ninjas out there. Keep those lines tight. Keep those hatchets super sharp. And we'll catch you at the water next time, fam. Whoop whoop.